drop something so he can add to his collection. He likes the shiniest things, dangling trinkets, coins, and beads. Offered up some crumbs to eat, but he didn't seem interested. Oh, kleptomaniac roll, I follow, I have not much stowed away in my pockets today. You have an eye on my necklace. You start a strange charade to dance, begging me to follow. So like you always do, I follow you. This time you lead me far away. Didn't take you for a tour guide. You and I parading by deep into the woods. Oh, kleptomaniac girl, leading me somewhere I don't know. And to my horror you led me to a body at rest, and there I stood shocked by your side, for to my surprise the body was mine. Did that mean I was a ghost? I don't remember dying. And as I stood there crying over my own lifeless body, you felt the time was right to snatch the locket you'd been eyeing. To my